Hey, what's up everyone? I'm Jason. Welcome to my kitchen. Today, I'm going to do an experiment with two 3-ingredient banana bread recipes. These are the most popular recipes on the internet. So for you guys, I'm gonna test out and see which one's the best. Let's check out the recipes and let's put them together. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. All right, recipe number one. 3 ingredients are 3 ripe bananas, 2 large eggs, and 1 box of yellow cake mix. Recipe number 2 is 1.5 cups of self-rising flour, 2 bananas, sweetened condensed milk. They're both gonna go in the same pans and both of them cook at 350 degrees, and we're gonna do it side by side, keep it scientific so we can test these out, and at the end, we're gonna have my family see which one is the best. All right, first recipe we're gonna start with takes 3 bananas, and these are super ripe. And we're gonna take our fork and just mash these up. Let's get that out. Next, we're gonna add our 2 eggs. And lastly, we're gonna put in our package of yellow cake mix. And we're gonna give this a mix. It smells good. Well, and call me a liar, but I'm gonna add a 1/3 cup of chocolate chips, just because I think it's kind of a sin to make banana bread without chocolate chips, and I lost count of the ingredients. So anyway, the next one's getting a 1/3 cup also. So next we're gonna put this in a loaf pan that I've put some parchment paper in and sprayed with some Pam. So here we go. All right, there you go. There's our first one. We're gonna set that aside and put our second one together. All right, for our second recipe, takes 2 ripe bananas. Next, 3/4 cup of sweetened condensed milk. And last but not least, 1.5 cups of self-rising flour. If you don't have self-rising flour, you can make it with baking, I think it's powder and salt. And I will put that recipe also in the description. So I should have mashed these bananas up, but we'll make do. Just like the last batch, in goes a 1/3 cup of chocolate chips. Okay, and in the loaf pan that goes. All right, give that a little shake. All right, so there you go. There's our 2 loaves. These are gonna go in the oven. It's preheated to 350. And we are going to cook them for about 30 to 35 minutes. I will be checking with a toothpick, and they will come out when the toothpick comes out clean. You know that old trick, so let's put them in the oven. All right, we're gonna put these both in. And we're gonna go for 30 to 35 minutes. See you in a bit. Okay, that's been 35 minutes, and we checked them both for, well, with the little toothpick, they're both pretty. They're both pretty girls. They look different. So we're gonna let those cool for just a bit. Okay, we're gonna let those chill, cool off, and we're gonna cut them up and do a taste test, see which one is the best. All right, now we're gonna do the taste test. So we have 2 banana bread recipes, both have 3 ingredients. We're gonna find out which one's the best. These guys are gonna do a taste test. I'm gonna do a taste test. My wife, who's filming, is gonna do it, and so is Jaden, who's too shy to be in the film. So, all right, take one, boys, and let's see. Which one do you like? One of them had yellow cake mix, the other one just had flour, self-rising flour. That one looks good. I know my favorite. I'm not gonna say that though.
That one's my favorite.
There you go now. Me too. Jaden?
You want me all?
This one here?
Yeah.
Jess? All right, so my wife tried it out and She liked the same one. So the winner is the one with the yellow cake mix. Right, Riley? All right. Thanks everyone for watching. So now you know, out of the two most popular 3-ingredient banana bread recipes, the one with the yellow cake mix is the favorite. So if you could like and subscribe, I would appreciate it. Bye everyone.